There is no scandal with the Rafale. So the Rafale, we had a request for 36. We are going to deliver 36 aircraft. If government of India wants more aircraft, we would be more than pleased to deliver. We have a great respect to our customer, to our user, which is the Indian Air Force. We are delivering a Rafale to Indian Air Force. So this is very important. Number two is there was a contract signed between the two governments. So we gave our pricing to our French government, given to the Indian government. I remind you that it is a G2G. In my evaluation, we made a rebate of about 9% compared to the original price. The CAG said 2.8%. Well, it's good. I mean, it shows that the price is better with the 36 aircraft compared with before. What the Supreme Court said is, in a certain way, that this deal is totally transparent and clean, which I have always said in front of my customers. So I am pleased that these two, CAG and Supreme Court, made their declarations.
Are you disappointed that the whole deal of Rafale, the plane has taken a back seat and the politics over this has taken the front seat today?
No, I am not disappointed. I am a little bit sad because I think that such a Rafale deal, such a Rafale fighter is important for defense of India. And I think that is most important than anything else. So the Rafale is a very good aircraft, high performance. You maybe have been able to see it in flight again today. The Air Force officers evaluated this fighter. They made the choice of this fighter. This fighter is going to be one of the backbone of the defense of the country. So I think that all together should be proud of this.
And also the defense officials have written to the defense minister that the PMO is directly involved in negotiations and then unhappy with parallel negotiations. Was it happening, sir?
I cannot comment because in my position, we were behind the government of France who negotiated with the government of India, minister to minister, ministry to ministry. So they have their own rules to discuss. We were supported.
One by one.
Our counterpart was for the technical specification of the aircraft, the Indian Air Force and the Ministry of Defense.
When do we see the full delivery of 36 jets? And are you also in conversation to look at planes beyond the 36? Is there a conversation that's begun on that?
Well, you always have to see the future.
Right.
We are here in India and we have been here in India for the last 60 years. We have to prepare also the next 60 years. The Rafale is going to come. This is our first priority, is the delivery of the first Rafale. But obviously, if the conditions are met, economic conditions, environment in India or whatever, we would be more than pleased to either sell more Rafale or produce parts of Rafale here in India. We were with HAL about the 126 because that was in the request for proposal. Then there was a change, that was many comments on that, to deliver 36 aircraft with an offset clause. I am in this offset clause the one who choose my partners. What I wanted, I recall it, is I wanted to be in charge of the industrial process in the company which will manufacture parts of French aircraft here in India. By creating the JV, I have the capability to master the quality, the standards, and the timing of delivering. So this is what I did. I invest my money in order to have facilities here in India, and I found a partner.